In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 ways to use ChatGPT to build your website. Think of ChatGPT as a flexible co-creator that helps you plan, write, code, optimize, and maintain your site, so you can move from idea to launch with clarity and speed. First, use ChatGPT for website planning and ideas. Start by brainstorming your overall concept and site structure. Ask for recommendations on your homepage layout, navigation labels, and a logical page hierarchy so visitors always know where to go next. If you're unsure about your niche, request niche-specific website suggestions and compare the options. Then, create audience personas for your target visitors, what they want, what they worry about, and how they make decisions. Finally, turn all that into a clear content plan before you design a single pixel. When your structure and messaging are set, the design phase becomes much simpler. Next, have ChatGPT write your website content. You can generate copy for your homepage, about page, and service descriptions, and then refine it for clarity and brand voice. Ask for SEO-friendly headlines and page titles that balance keywords with readability. For stores and landing pages, get compelling product descriptions and conversion-focused copy. Don't forget helpful sections like FAQs, concise contact page text, and strong calls to action. If you serve different audiences, request tone adjustments, formal, friendly, or technical, so each page resonates. Third, accelerate development by generating website code. Ask for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript snippets you can paste into your project. Request responsive layouts that adapt to desktop and mobile, plus components like navigation menus, buttons, and forms. If something breaks, paste the error or describe the bug and get troubleshooting guidance. You can also save time with reusable code templates that keep styles and components consistent across pages. Fourth, optimize your SEO and marketing. Have ChatGPT produce keyword ideas and meta descriptions for each page. Generate blog topics that address search intent and bring in qualified traffic. When drafting posts, ask for optimized outlines and body copy that match what users are looking for. To promote your content, create social media captions tailored to each platform. Round it out with content marketing strategies that keep your brand visible. Finally, support ongoing improvement and maintenance. Ask ChatGPT to review page content for clarity and gaps. Gather ideas to improve user experience, from layout tweaks to clearer navigation. Build chatbot responses and customer support FAQs. Explore conversion optimization suggestions to boost signups or sales. And keep your content fresh with regular updates and new topics so your site stays relevant over time.